Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Gyan Browser. Today, I'll show you how to unlock a secret entertainment hack on your Android TV. What you learn in this video? Hidden Android TV settings you need to enable. A powerful app that transforms your TV into an entertainment powerhouse. Stay tuned until the end. This trick isn't available on the Play Store, and once you know it, you'll never go back to boring TV again. This method is completely safe when you follow the steps carefully. We'll be sideloading an app that gives you access to unlimited entertainment options, movies, live channels, and more. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, so always check your local laws before using third-party apps. Step 1. Install Downloader app. Open the Play Store on your Android TV, search for Downloader app, and install it. Step 2. Enable unknown sources. Now go to Settings, Device Preferences, Security and Restrictions. Turn on Unknown Sources of Downloader app to allow installation. Step 3. Download the APK file. Launch Downloader app that you have installed earlier. Enter the APK code in box. I'll share the exact link in the description or pinned comment. Downloading of APK file starts automatically. Step 4. Install the app. Once downloaded, click Install. Wait a few seconds. While the app is installing, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Gyan Browser, for more videos like this, and hit the like button to motivate us. And the app is ready. Step 5. Launch and explore. Now go back to your home screen, open the newly installed app, complete login or sign up if required, and enjoy unlimited entertainment in one place. And that's it. Your Android TV is now upgraded with a secret entertainment booster pack. No more limits, no more boring channels, just pure fun at your fingertips. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe to the channel for more hidden tricks and viral tech hacks. Because here, you don't just watch tech, you live it.